Digital Storytelling and Instructional Video Part 3. This third and final part of Digital Storytelling Instructional Video will focus on creating your digital movie now that you have developed your story and the script, gathered the images you have chosen, and decided what software or program you are going to use. To begin, you should upload your images in the order you have chosen when creating your storyboard. In most digital storytelling programs, it is simply a matter of dragging the image from the file in your computer to the timeline in your chosen program. If you desire, you can create a title page and a concluding page. This will be different in each program. In iMovie, for example, you click on the T icon above the timeline to the right and then simply drag whatever title page you desire to the far left of the timeline. You can then add text. You can also add a credits page that will show your audience where you have taken your images from if you have decided to use images from a photo sharing website or music with Creative Commons licensing. Once all of your images are in the correct position, it is advisable to set all the images to be a certain length, for example, maybe 2 minutes each. Choose a length that makes the images run collectively for longer than your audio runs for. Only add your audio after you have done this, or otherwise your audio will be clipped at the end of your images. Making the images too long rather than too short means you can cut them back just by dragging the cursor and clipping to your selection with right-click in iMovie. You can shorten the images this way, but you cannot lengthen them. Once you have your images at the desired length, you can add your audio. In most digital storytelling programs, you can do this by clicking on the microphone button, waiting for a beep, and then speaking. When you are finished, the audio will appear beneath the slides as sound wavelengths, which will make it much easier to sync with the images. If you have already recorded your audio in an audio recording program, you will have to upload this file and add it to your timeline. Don't worry if you make a mistake, you can always edit your audio clip and delete the sections you don't want, which lets you keep the sections you are happy with. Sometimes this will mean that your audio is louder in places, but don't worry too much about this either. Once you are happy with your audio, you need to sync it with your images. As mentioned earlier, you can drag your cursor over the image and clip the selection to the desired length. This can take some time as you go through your audio and decide how long you want the corresponding image to appear. When you are happy that your audio and your images have been synced properly, you can then add your music track if you wish. Each digital storytelling program is different, but it's usually a matter of uploading your music track like you did your audio track. You can highlight the track and drag it so that the beginning of the track matches with the beginning of your images. When you are satisfied with all the elements of your digital story, play it and watch to see that everything is in sync and that the story flows properly. In iMovie, for example, you can do this by highlighting the title slide and pressing the spacebar button on your keyboard. Save your digital story or finalize it in your program. After doing this, you can now export your movie to the video sharing website of your choice. Most programs offer YouTube and Vimeo options as well as Facebook, and you can also export it as an MP4 file if you wish. To sum up, upload your images in the order you have chosen when creating your storyboard. Set all the images to a chosen length. Add your audio voiceover or upload the audio file. Sync your audio with your images. Add your music track if you have one. Play a movie to see if all of your elements work well together. Save your movie and finalize it in your program, and export your movie to the video sharing website of your choice. As always, all images were obtained through Flickr with Creative Commons licensing from the following accounts. This concludes the third and final part of the Digital Storytelling Instructional Video series.